Today we're going to be making fried onion strings. The first thing you want to do is get your dry ingredients together. Once you get your dry ingredients together, then prepare your onions. Remove the skin from the onion. Once you have the skin removed from the onion, slice your onions very thin. The next step will be is to add your onions to a milk bath. Once the milk bath is ready, add your salt, pepper, and garlic to your onions. Let it set for 30 minutes. Once that is ready, put your onions in the batter bowl, give them a good shake. Once that's ready, then you are ready for your hot oil at 350 degrees. Once your onion strings are done, then you want to put your burger together. Once your burger has been plated and totally put together, then you are done. Once you are done, you're ready. You want a bite? Look for the full video link in the bottom of the description.